Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to update the app or update your Netflix application. So in order to update the Netflix application to the latest version, you need to follow these steps. But before that, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, you simply want to exit out of this page and open up your respective app store. When you open up your app store, on the search bar, type in Netflix. And when you locate the Netflix button, you want to simply tap on it or tap on the update button right next to it. And once you click on the update button, it's going to take a while in order to completely update it. So just be patient enough, and after which you could restart your device and you've successfully updated your Netflix application to the latest version. So this is the simplest way you could do it. And that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.